The secret to younger, smoother, and wrinkle-free skin is not in an expensive jar, not in a fancy serum, but in a simple bay leaf. Yes, the same humble leaf you use to flavor your stew could actually hold the power to turn back the clock on your skin, naturally, safely, and effectively. Stay with me till the end, because once you see how it works and how to use it step by step, you'll never look at bay leaf the same way again. Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to Essential Cures. Why bay leaf? Wrinkles and fine lines are among the first visible signs of aging. Many people rush to chemical creams and costly treatments, but these often provide only temporary results, and sometimes come with side effects. Bay leaf, on the other hand, is a 100% natural remedy packed with antioxidants, vitamins A and C, and essential oils that fight free radicals, tighten skin, and boost collagen production. It's nature's anti-aging miracle, affordable, gentle, and surprisingly effective when used correctly. Gather your ingredients. You'll need 5 to 6 fresh or dried bay leaves, 1 cup of water, 1 spray bottle or bowl. Optional, a few drops of rose water or aloe vera gel. That's it, no chemicals, no complicated process. Make the bay leaf toner anti-aging essence. 1. Pour 1 cup of water into a small pot. 2. Add your bay leaves. 3. Bring it to a gentle boil and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. 4. Once done, allow it to cool completely. 5. Strain the liquid and pour it into a clean spray bottle. This golden brown liquid is your bay leaf toner, a refreshing, collagen-boosting skin spray that helps tighten pores, reduce wrinkles, and rejuvenate tired skin. Apply the toner correctly. After washing your face, lightly pat it dry. Spray the bay leaf toner evenly on your face, or apply it using a cotton pad. Let it sit and absorb naturally. For best results, use it twice daily, morning and night. The antioxidants in the toner will begin to work on your skin, reducing oxidative damage that causes wrinkles and dullness. Try a bay leaf steam facial, deep skin detox. Once or twice a week, give your skin a deeper treatment with steam. 1. Boil a pot of water with 5 to 6 bay leaves. 2. Pour it into a bowl and let it cool slightly, not too hot. 3. Cover your head with a towel and lean over the bowl for 5 to 10 minutes. The steam opens your pores, allowing the bay leaf's natural oils to detoxify your skin, remove impurities, and tighten facial tissues. This simple ritual enhances blood circulation and helps fade fine lines naturally. Make a bay leaf face mask, optional boost. If you want to speed up the results, make a soothing face mask. You'll need 2 tablespoons of bay leaf powder, crush dried leaves or blend them, 1 tablespoon of honey or yogurt, a few drops of lemon juice or aloe vera gel. Mix everything into a smooth paste. Apply it evenly on your face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. This mask nourishes your skin deeply, tightens it, and brings out a natural youthful glow. Be consistent and patient. Natural remedies don't work overnight, but with consistent use, you'll start to notice softer, smoother texture, reduced appearance of fine lines, firm and glowing skin, a more even tone and youthful appearance. In just 2 to 3 weeks, you can visibly see the transformation. Who knew that something as simple as a bay leaf could hold the secret to ageless beauty? Before spending hundreds of dollars on anti-aging creams and salon treatments, give this humble leaf a chance. It's nature's gift to your skin. Remember, real beauty doesn't come from chemicals, it comes from nature. So go ahead, try this bay leaf remedy and let your skin thank you later.